we going today?
Going to the pet store. We're going to the gas station, and then we're going to a soccer game. Very excited. I'm gonna get a jersey.
AC Boise, we're gonna be in you soon. Prepare. It's my favorite place, by the way. They have the best snacks. Also, I have to take Claritin because my allergies are bad. I don't want them to be extra bad at the game, so had to prepare in advance. Do a quick little fit check. My jeans from Plato's Closet and my Nikes on the screen top, just because the colors of the team are green, so I wanted to wear something green as well. Because I don't have a jersey or a kit or anything. And then this jacket in case it gets cold. Where we at?
The soccer game.
The soccer game. The soccer game.
That's not bad. Okay.
The medical team brings home your captain, Blake Bonnelly.
Can you ask Sunny to get drunk on the go off the stage?
Wait, get me. Is it really bad?
It's really bad.
Dude, it's gonna be so bad at the top. Oh, look at that.
Consumed.
The fucking light post! Oh my god. We're so fucked. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay.
To the car.
Ah! To the car. Oh my god. Fuck. We lived.
Almost.
Oh my god.
Almost.
Whoa. That is freaking crazy.
Not the TV. So why went blonde? Actually, so the reason I went back to like natural colors was not only just for my mood.
All right, let me prop y'all up. Can you see? Can you see? I have my vintage playoff Sharks shirt on, and then just my flared leggings. These are from Amazon, and then we thrifted this from a local thrift store. I think for the rest of the week, probably tomorrow, I have a lot of hockey cards that I have to sort through that are in my closet. I have a bunch of hockey cards like all over the place. There's some over here. Like, they are seriously everywhere. So I think tomorrow I'm gonna work on cleaning out the closet and then organizing those hockey cards. And then I've been trying to settle on an outfit. I think I might have a Disney trip plan in January. We'll see. I've been trying to plan outfit. Kind of want to do Star Wars for Disney, and then I think we might do Cars as a group when we go to DCA, but we'll see. So I'm gonna try and maybe plan that. Go sit in the living room, make a cup of coffee, and see what I can find on Amazon. I'm also planning a trip to Portland at the end of this month to see 5 Seconds of Summer with my friend Emmett. Shout out Emmett, I love you. And I kind of need to see if there's anything actually that I would like to do in Portland. We're kind of trying to throw together a quick itinerary. So I think I might look at places to go, parks, stuff like that. Okay, I just got done organizing all of my cards. Honestly, I could do a whole video about all of the hockey cards I have. I have this box and then that box, and this has my special cards in it as well. There's some autos in there. There's a Sidney Crosby game worn patch in there. I have so many. I honestly don't even know what to do with all of them, but at least they're organized now. I'm gonna see if I have the stuff to make a loaf of sandwich bread from scratch. We'll see. I don't think I do, but I'm mostly lacking a bread pan, but I might have one. My alarm just went off. It's time to check on my bread. Oh, she's big. I'm going to knead her a little bit more, and then she's gonna go into the pan for about 45 minutes, and then we're gonna bake. Here she is, my beautiful dough. I'm going to lightly coat the top with some oil and then pop her in the oven for 35 minutes. Here she is. She doesn't look as like golden as some of the other bakers' loaves do, but I'm scared. I hope she's dead. Okay, we're gonna love her and leave her alone. We'll come back to check on her soon. She's gorgeous though. I anticipated ending this vlog like 2 or 3 weeks ago, but I didn't have enough footage. So it is May 12th. We're grabbing breakfast, going to the zoo. It's probably about 7:30 at the moment. So I thought I'd film that as well today.
They're on a field trip. They're gonna be cute. Oh, they're so
What the dog doing?
So cute.
silent contemplation.
That's crazy. Genuinely, is that a baby? So I'm gonna end this little vlog here. It was mostly just like a recap again of what I've been up to at the beginning of the month. I leave in a little over a week to Portland. Definitely gonna be vlogging that. I'll probably do like a prep and get ready with me for that trip. I have to put together an outfit for the concert. I have a vibe of what I want to do, so hopefully I can get that put together pretty quickly. And then just like what I pack, my essentials, I'll probably do that and then combine like travel day, first day, and then lump all the other days together. But that's it for this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.